Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we are presenting a practical analysis of purchasing management issues at Watsons Gong Badak, a health and beauty retail branch in Kuala Terengganu. First, let me give you an overview of the company and branch. Watsons Gong Badak is located at Dataran Austin Shopping Centre on the ground floor, and customers can shop in-store or use the in-store pickup service. The branch sells a full range of health and beauty products from skincare and cosmetics to vitamins and pharmacy items. The branch operates with a small team including a store manager, sales assistants, cashiers, and specialized staff like beauty experts and health advisors. These team members work in shifts to provide customer service and manage daily operations. From a purchasing perspective, it is important to understand that Watsons Malaysia operates a centralized buying system. All major purchasing decisions, such as which suppliers to use, what products to stock, and pricing, are made by the international buying team at headquarters in Kuala Lumpur. This team is responsible for sourcing from over 1,000 suppliers worldwide, including major brands like Unilever, P&G, and L'Oreal, as well as sourcing from countries like Japan, South Korea, China, and Hong Kong. For quality assurance, all products go through testing by independent agencies to ensure safety and to validate claims made about the products. The Gong Badak branch, like all other outlets, operates within this centralized system. The branch role is to monitor stock levels, handle replenishment orders, receive and check goods when they arrive, and ensure that products are available on the shelf to meet customer demand. With this background, we now turn to the issues we discovered during our research.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syafiqah bin Syuhari. My matric number is 71179. Today I will present three major quality in Watsons. The first one is challenge is supplier non-conformance. Supplier non-conformance occur when supplier fail to meet the specifications set by Watsons, such as different in product, quality, size, or labeling compared to the approved sample. This problem usually happens when supplier do not fully comply with the standard operating procedure. To control this issue, Watsons conducts supplier qualification audit, especially for its own brand product. However, when non-conformance occur, the product may be rejected, which can be pose risk to customer safety and negative affect Watsons' reputation. 2. Late is delivery. Late delivery is another major quality challenge faced by Watsons in the purchasing process. When supplier fail to deliver goods according to the agreed schedule, it disrupts inventory management and the restocking process. This may cause product shortage at Watsons outlet, making it difficult to meet customer demand. As a result, customers may feel dissatisfied and choose to purchase from competitor. Late delivery can therefore lead to reduced sales and negative impact overall business performance. Next is high defect rate. High defect rate is referred to the percent of defective or damaged product received from supplier. This issue directly affected customer satisfaction and increased operational costs for Watsons. For example, complaints have been received regarding defective safety seal on health-related product, which is raised concern about product safety. Such as defect can reduce customer trust and damage the company image. In addition, Watsons must conduct extra quality inspection and handle product return, which increase workload and operating costs.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Norafika Syahira binti Muhammad Zaini. My matric number is 7185. Next, I will explain how Watsons ensure supplier quality assurance. Watsons implement a Suto quality assurance process to ensure consistent product quality. The process begins with a strict supplier selection stage where suppliers are evaluated based on Watsons quality standard. Only suppliers approved by relevant authorities such as KKM and JAKIM are selected to ensure product safety and regulatory compliance. After the selection process, Watsons continuously monitors supplier performance through regular quality audits and review. This audit ensures that suppliers comply with quality management system and meet required specifications. In addition, Watson conduct product testing in an internal laboratory accredited with ISO 17025 to ensure accurate and reliable test results. Overall, this practice demonstrated Watson's commitment to maintain high and consistent product quality across its supply chains. I will pass this presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
NAT is quality management approach. Watson used two: total quality management and Kaizen. Total quality management or TQM is management philosophy that focuses on long-term success through customer satisfaction and continuous quality improvement involve all levels of the organization. In the context of Watson, TQM can be observed through its strict quality control system that begin from supplier selection until product reach customer. For example, Watson implement a supplier qualification audit (SQA) to ensure that only qualified and compliant suppliers are allowed to supply product. In addition, continuous monitoring is conducted especially for Watson on-brand product to ensure that quality standards are consistently maintained. NAT is Kaizen. Kaizen refers to continuous improvement through small and ongoing improvement in process and product. This concept is commonly implemented using the plan, do, check, act PDCA cycle, which is help organization identify problem, implement solution, evaluate result, and standardize improvement. In Watson, the Kaizen approach can be seen when customer complaint or audit finding, such as issue related to open safety seal, are used feedback to improve standard operation procedure.
I will continue this presentation with explain the impact of supplier quality problem on Watson. From an operational perspective, supplier non-compliance with quality standard can disrupt the supply chains and increase operating costs. Products that fail to meet specification may require re-inspection, rework or disposal, which slow down operation and reduce efficiency. From the customer perspective, poor quality or damaged product can lead to complaint, product return, and safety concern. This negatively affect customer satisfaction and reduce customer trust. In the long term, repeat supplier quality issue may damage Watson brand image and cause customer to switch to competitor. Therefore, effective supplier quality management is important to ensure smooth operation and maintain customer certification.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ainina Fariha binti Mazuki S70214. I will present about section 3, delivery and logistic issue. For the first question, what transportation mode are used in deliver item? Firstly, transportation mode play an important role in delivery decision because it affects delivery speed, cost efficiency and customer satisfaction. Choosing the right transportation help company ensure that product arrive on time and in good condition while minimize total logistic cost. In Watson's operation, the company used a combination of transportation mode to balance on-time delivery and cost efficiency. For domestic distribution, truck and lorry are the primary transportation mode because they provide flexibility and are suitable for last-mile delivery to warehouse, retail store and customers' home. For high-value and time-sensitive products such as premium cosmetic and skincare items, Watson rely on air transportation. Although air transport involves higher costs, it ensures faster and more reliable delivery, which is important for maintaining product quality and customer satisfaction. For international sourcing, Watson use marine transportation to ship bulk product from overseas suppliers. Marine transport offers the lower cost per unit for large volume, even though the delivery time is longer. To improve efficiency, Watson also use intermodal transportation by combining marine and truck transport to balance speed, reliability and cost. For example, local brands such as Icon and Safi are manufactured in Malaysia and transport to Watson warehouse by truck. Quality control check are conducted by the supplier and again at the warehouse before the product are distributed to retail store using truck transportation. In contrast, international brands such as Hada Labo and Scientific are manufactured overseas, mainly in Japan and China. These products are shipped to Malaysia using marine transportation to reduce costs. After arriving at Malaysian port, intermodal transportation is used where goods are transferred from ship to truck and then delivered to Watson's warehouse before being distributed to retail store. For the second question, how does the company handle on-time delivery and cost trade-off? Managing on-time delivery and cost trade-off involve balancing delivery speed with transportation cost. Faster delivery usually require higher cost due to express courier service and urgent order processing, while slower delivery help reduce cost but require customer to wait longer. To manage this trade-off, Watson offer customer two delivery options. The first is standard home delivery, which is a lower cost option with a longer lead time of about 2 to 5 working days. This option allows Watsons to consolidate order and use schedule courier service to control transportation costs. The second option is express delivery, which is designed for customers who need their product urgently. Through the Watsons mobile application, customer can select express delivery and receive their order within 2 hours in selected area such as Klang Valley and Johor Bahru. Although this service involves higher operational costs, the additional charge ensure that only customers who value speed choose the option. Overall, by offering both standard and express delivery, Watson effectively balance customer satisfaction with cost efficiency in its logistic operation. For the third question, discuss the role of third-party logistic 3PL or delivery partner. Role of third-party logistic provider or 3PL play an important role in Watson's delivery system. Instead of managing all logistic activity internally, Watson partner with experienced delivery companies such as Ninja Van and DHL to handle transportation and order fulfillment. These 3PL partners are responsible for delivering parcels from Watson's warehouse to customers' home within the promised delivery time. This allows Watsons to ensure reliable delivery and real-time tracking without investing heavily in its own logistic infrastructure. In addition, for online purchase made through the Watsons website and also e-commerce platform such as Shopee and TikTok Shop, deliveries are handled by this platform integrated logistic partner like Ninja Van. So orders are picked and packed at warehouse before being collected by the courier for delivery, which improve efficiency and also coordination. In conclusion, by using multiple transportation modes and working with third-party logistic provider, Watson is able to maintain efficient, flexible and cost-effective delivery operation. This integrated delivery approach support customer satisfaction, build trust in the brand and also encourage repeat purchase. So that is all from me for this section 3. Thank you.
Thank you for the previous presenter. So, I will continue these presentations. My name is Aina Shamimi binti Sabali, Normatic S722X6. So today, I will explain about logistics and delivery issue faced by Watsons Gong Badak, Terengganu. First, one of the major logistic issue faced by a Watsons Gong Badak is a continuous increase in fuels and transportation costs. Watsons Gong Badak depends on deliveries from distribution centers located outside Terengganu, mainly from the centers of West Coast area. Because of the long distance, fuel costs become very important. Transportation costs are highly affected by a fuel price changes since road transportation relies heavily on diesel and petrol. As a fuel price increase, the cost of each delivery trip to Watsons Gong Badak also increase. This causes higher logistic costs compared to stores located in major urban areas and may reduce profit margins or limit delivery frequency. Next, Watsons Gong Badak also face delivery delays and inconsistent delivery performance. Delivery delays can happen due to traffic congestion, vehicle breaks down, poor delivery scheduling, and unexpected changes in demand. In the case of Watsons Gong Badak, delays are more likely because of a long distance transportations and limited delivery schedule to its cost location. When deliveries arrive late, the store may face temporary stock shortage, especially for fast-moving products such as skincare and personal care items. This can result in empty shelves and lost sales, particularly during weekdays and a peak period when demand for nearby university students is high. Another issue is related to inventory and warehouse management risk. Inaccurate inventory records or warehouse error can cause a wrong order pickings and delay in a stock replenishment. Since Watsons Kong Badak they depend fully on external warehouse, any mistake at the warehouse level can affect the store directly. For example, the store may receive incorrect quantities or experience delayed shipment. This problem becomes more serious during promotional period, when demand increases but inventory planning is not adjusted properly, leading to stock out and a lower customer satisfaction. So next, I will explain about suggestions to improve delivery efficiency at Watsons Kong Badak. First, one of the main suggestions to improve delivery efficiency at Watsons Kong Badak is the use of advanced logistics technology and a real-time tracking system. Watsons Kong Badak is located on the outskirts, so deliveries usually come from the distribution centers on the west coast of Malaysia, which involve a long distance transportations. Without real-time tracking, delivery problems such as traffic congestions, vehicle breakdown, and poor road conditions are often only known after the delivery arrives late at the store. So, logistic technology like GPS, the GPS tracking and roads optimization helps company to monitor deliveries better and respond quickly to disruption. With a real-time tracking, Watsons they can monitor delivery vehicles on the way to Kong Badak and estimate more accurate arrival time. If a delay is detected earlier, store staff they can be informed in advance and make adjustments such as planning, self-arrangement, and promotional activity. Overall, this technology helps improve delivery reliability and reduce logistic costs, which is very important for stores located far from main distribution center like Watsons Kong Badak. Next, strengthening transportation risk management is another important strategy to improve delivery performance at Watsons Kong Badak. Deliveries to at-cost location usually face higher risk because of a long travel distance, fewer delivery schedules, and changing weather conditions. Effective logistic risk management that helps organizations reduce delivery disruptions and improve delivery performance by identifying and controlling transportation risk early. For Watsons Kong Badak, common transportation risks include vehicle breakdown, driver's shortage, unexpected road closure, and bad weather. To manage these risks, Watsons can prepare backup delivery schedule, carry out regular vehicle maintenance, and work with more than one logistic provider. Companies that manage logistic risk proactively experience a more stable and reliable deliveries. This practice helps Watsons Kong Badak reduce stock shortage and ensure smooth store operations, especially during peak demand periods. Finally, optimizing shipment consolidations and delivery planning is an effective way to reduce logistic costs for Watsons Kong Badak. Delivery to Terengganu involve a long distance travel, and sending trucks that are not fully loaded increases transportation costs per unit. Shipment consolidation reduces transportation costs by combining multiple deliveries into fewer trips and improving vehicle usage. Watsons they can combine a shipment for several outlets in Terengganu, including Watsons Kong Badak, into one delivery route. This ensures that trucks are fully loaded before traveling a long distance from the distribution center. As a result, fewer delivery trips are needed, which reduce fuel consumptions, labor costs, and vehicle wear and tear. Effective delivery planning and shipment consolidation improve logistics efficiency while still maintaining acceptable service level, making this strategy suitable for remote locations like Watsons Kong Badak. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
My name is Fatina Alia binti Barindin and my metric number is 71488. So for the next one, I will continue with environmental, lean and green purchasing at Watson. So basically, Watson apply several environmental and sustainability practice in purchasing activity. So one key effort is promoting environmentally friendly product, which is in personal care, healthy care and cosmetic categories. These many items are now use recyclable and reduced plastic packaging. So in terms of supplier selection, Watson approve supplier through the head office and require them to meet product quality, safety and basic environmental standards. So even sustainability is not the main priority, but is to consider in purchasing decision. Watson also apply lean and green procurement through centralized purchasing from distribution center. So the system will improve inventory control, help avoid overstocking and product expiry, also reduce transportation trip, which is from fuel usage and carbon emission. And supplier performance is closely monitored to minimize waste from defective products.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aimi Shakira binti Muhammad Sukri. My metric number is S70392. So now I'm going to present about the improvements and sustainable purchasing innovations. Despite these practices, there are several improvements Watsons can make. Firstly, Watsons can introduce a formal green supplier evaluation system to assess the suppliers based on environmental practices such as packaging reduction and waste management. Other than that, Watsons can also improve inventory forecasting by using more accurate sales data and technology, which can reduce over-ordering and expired products. In addition, Watsons can also increase customer awareness by introducing clear eco-labels on sustainable products. And lastly, collaborating with recycling companies to manage unsold or expired products can further reduce landfill waste and strengthen Watsons' image as an environmentally responsible retailer.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Masnita Natasha binti Mokhtar and my metric number is 70234. In conclusion, effective purchasing management is essential for Watsons Kong Badak Terengganu to ensure product quality, customer safety and smooth operations. The main purchasing quality challenges are supplier non-conformance, late delivery and high defect rates. Supplier non-conformance include issues with labeling, packaging and quality standard, which are controlled through KKM and JAKIM approval and supplier qualification audit SQA. Late delivery affects stock availability, especially fast-moving product, while high defect rates can cause customer complaint and extra workload. To overcome these issues, Watsons applies total quality management TQM and Kaizen, supported by quality inspections, customer feedback, centralized purchasing and digital inventory system, helping to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Through observation at Watsons Kong Badak Terengganu, we realized there are significant difference between textbook theory and real-world business operations. Textbook provide a strong foundation in supply chain management, covering technological advancement, risk management, sustainability, transparency, collaboration and structured decision making. However, in practice, operations demand a high level of flexibility and the ability to make quick decisions to adapt to unexpected situations. For example, during promotional sale days, the number of customers can increase dramatically and certain products may run out of stock quickly. In this situation, the employees must properly reorganize shelves, restock product and assess customer efficiently. Although such scenarios have rarely been present in the textbook context, While standard operating procedure (SOP) are designed to ensure consistency and smooth service, employees often need to adjust processes and rely on personal judgment, such as advising customers based on experience to maintain customer satisfaction. Overall, this experience demonstrate that although theoretical knowledge is essential, real-world practice offers a more realistic perspective on business challenges, enhance problem solving and decision-making skill, and provide first-hand insight into how business operations are effectively managed in real-world situations.
Improvement in the management of purchasing at Watsons Kong Badak can be done in two simple yet profound ways. First, the branch should develop a straightforward routine for checking stock and expiry dates every week, especially sensitive items like vitamins and skincare and promotional products. The staff will record which ones are nearly expired and which popular products have nearly gone out of stock and regularly provide this information to the area manager or headquarters. This would help reduce wasted products, avoid last-minute discounting, and make sure customers find what they are looking for on the shelf. Second, the branch can keep a simple record of repeated problems with deliveries and suppliers, for example, the receipt of goods late, damage to products during transportation, or wrong item received. By readdressing these issues into a short, regular report for headquarters, the central buying and logistics team can analyze and discuss issues with suppliers or transport partners, if any, and improve packing, routing, or order planning. Both steps will make buying more accurate, cut down on waste, and enhance product availability for customers at Watsons Kong Badak. That is all presentation from our group. Thank you.